Testing, testing. Hi there. My name is Rohan Befe, and today we are going to be talking about one of the most dangerous type of natural disasters ever, the winter storm. We're going to be talking about how does it form, what is it, and how do you survive it. So first, what is it? Well, a winter storm is just like it says, basically like regular winter, except it's like a bunch of it's coming down and it gets really hard to be in the cold and stuff like that, and the downsides of it. So how is a winter storm even formed? Well, all happens in a lake. Okay, and in this lake, the sun comes up, right? The sun evaporates it into air, well, not air, into mist, fog, stuff like that, right? This hot air reaches up to the cold air, but interestingly, it moves up. Instead of like this, the hot air actually moves up there. Okay, and then what happens is very interesting, okay? The hot air eventually cools, turning it into cold air. And inside, all the water molecules and other dust particles turn it into flakes, snowflakes. But then these snowflakes turn into bigger snowflakes, and eventually it just, basically all of it comes down and creates heavy masses of snow all around, which can cause devastation. Okay? And what are the downsides of it? You cannot see, hard to see in the cold weather while you're driving, which means more car crashes. Hypothermia is imminent, and also frostbite. And if you overwork too much, you could get a heart attack. A risk increase of a heart attack. So what should you do to survive a winter storm? Well, first, get an essentials kit that comes with emergency food, a bunch of water, a medical kit or a first aid kit, a radio, a flashlight, a blanket, and clothes. These clothing there are being clothing, gloves, hats, etc. Okay? Always keep an eye on the weather to make sure if it's improving. Stay indoors and be warm. Like wear warm clothing, okay, to be warm. And always regularly eat, and always regularly be hydrated. Okay? And then always also have a phone to tell anyone about your whereabouts if you're going outside, because you could be lost in the snow. So always know your whereabouts. And if you're going outside, wear clothing, gloves, a hat, and a phone, just in case, and also don't go outside until the weather has improved. Check your family through like social media and stuff to make sure they're okay. Family, friends, neighbors, and stuff. And always don't overwork, as overworking can increase the risk of getting a heart attack. So always relax and stay calm. And that's basically it. That's how you survive a winter storm, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.